advised that the views and opinions of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Good morning, Philippines. You're watching the Business Portal, your gateway to health, beauty, trends, and opportunities. I'm your host, Dr. John Seneca for What's Up, Doc? What a very hot morning, even though it's not raining actually, but we get a very good morning, good weather, and of course we have a good guest and beautiful, gorgeous guest. But before anything else, I would like to introduce to you my co-host, no other than a medical associate of Johnson Cosmetic Surgery, no other than Dr. Rayran Lau. Good morning, Dr. Lau.
Good morning, Dr. Seneca, and
Yes.
good morning to all the televiewers of GNN, especially What's Up, Doc.
Yeah, and you know, Dr. Lau, we have a very hot topic. We call it Doctor Knows Best. Yan.
Ano bang ibig sabihin ng Doctor Knows Best?
Yeah, the nose doesn't mean K-N-O-W-S, but
But
it's
actually, it's
N-O-S-E.
So, ilong.
Ilong, yeah. We will be talking all about noses.
Yan,
Yeah.
okay.
So there's a lot of, especially for the Orientals or Asians, mostly these are the common problem. Yung sabi nila, yung
Saddle nose.
saddle nose,
Oh.
yan. Or sa Tagalog, pango.
Pango.
Ayan. But we will be talking about that, and of course we have our doctors who will be explaining about
Yes,
nose
our
job
resource
or
person,
rhinoplasty, we call
yes.
augmentation rhinoplasty, yan ang mga common words. And also actual patient who will be talking about their experience in
Yes,
augmentation
actually, ginagawa na
rhinoplasty.
natin to halos every week. No?
Yeah.
We pick some patients na we sit here in the show
Yes,
and pinapakita natin yung mga before and after.
Right.
nila.
And later on in our second segment, we will be talking about permanent hair removal.
Yes, or
Ito
the
tawag na intense pulse light. Yan.
Yes.
These are procedures wherein is also common problem of women who have like, especially the underarms.
Underarms,
Yeah.
yes.
But our topic talagang very
Unahin muna
hot.
natin yung
Yan.
topic natin, yung Doctor Knows Best.
Doctor Knows
Yes.
Best. Ayan. Of course, together with us is a medical associate of Johnson Cosmetic Surgery, no other than Doctora Mariflor
Mariflor.
Calizo.
Yes.
Good morning,
Good
Doctor.
morning, Doc.
Good morning,
Yes.
Dr.
Morning,
Calizo.
Very beautiful, Dr.
Thank you, Doc.
Yes, of course. Ito, suki na rin natin sa WhatsApp, Doc, no? Or, no other than the a medical associate of Johnson Cosmetic Surgery, Doctora Leilani Morato. Good morning, Doctora.
Morning.
Yes, and of course, later on, siguro introduce na natin, no? We'll introduce Miss Maureen.
Moraine
Camilon.
Camilon.
Morning,
Hi.
Doc.
Hi, Miss Maureen. I call her, mermaid.
Mermaid.
Yeah, she looks like a mermaid now. Yeah. And of course, one of our, mga signature model to
Yes,
ramp model
Wow.
from either television and newspaper. No other than Miss
Esrafel Tambong.
Yun, Tambong,
Or we call
yeah.
her
Sorry,
Hira.
medyo
Mahirap, Esrafel.
Esrafel, okay. So, yes, we'll be talking about nose job and we have also patients. Dr. Morato, ano ba itong nose? When you say nose lift or rhinoplasty, ano bang ibig sabihin nito?
Well, it's we augment the nose to give it a bridge,
Yeah.
which is a lot of Asians complain that they're pango, so
Yeah.
we'll give them a little something here.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay, this is more augmentation for Orientals.
Mhm.
Yes. How about for, let's say, patient who have like a parrot nose?
parrot nose, what we do is we can give them a nice implant so that we can give them a nice tip. It will lift it a little bit here.
Yeah.
So,
That's
Doctora,
another-
this is a surgical procedure.
Yes, these are all surgical procedures that can be done in an hour or less.
In an hour.
In an hour.
Okay.
Or less.
Or
So,
less,
does the
yeah.
patient has to be confined in a hospital?
No. It's an outpatient procedure, meaning that they can go home the same day.
Oh.
The same day. So, after the procedure, before the procedure, you have a saddle nose.
Right.
And then
And
after an hour,
You're
you have a good nose.
Yes.
And then afterwards, you can go home.
You
Yes,
can go
you can go
Wow.
home.
Well, for our televiewers, before anything else, I would like to tell you that you can text your messages,
Yes.
any questions or comments regarding our topic for this morning, all about noses. It's 0922-891-6760 right there in your
And
screen.
please indicate your name
Yes,
and your
and
location para
location
mabati po
where you
namin
want right
kayo.
now.
Yes.
And we're broadcasting live right now in Global News Network,
Yes.
all over the Philippines, no? Not only all over the world, because we can also find us in our live
so
internet
kahit sa ibang
streaming.
bansa, napapanood
Yeah, live
tayo,
streaming
napasaya
tayo
ka,
at
wow.
GNN slash TV slash Asia. Tama ba yun? yeah, slash Asia.com. Okay. Si Dr. Calizo, in your experience as a cosmetic surgeons, ano ba mga nakita natin yung mga pros and cons, yung mga ano ba dapat gawin natin for a patient who wants to have rhinoplasty, and ano ba mga preparation nito?
Yes.
But of course, Doc, syempre we have to take first yung mga history ng patient.
Yes.
Kasi baka mayroong patient may allergies sa mga antibiotics, which is very important para sa healing din ng patient. And then, we should also ask the patient kung bakit gusto niya magpa-rhinoplasty,
Yes,
yung mga ganon na
Usually, ano ba mga reason nila? Bakit nila gusto magpa-nose job?
Siyempre, yung iba, they want to enhance their beauty.
Self-esteem, no?
Self-esteem.
Yes.
May pumunta na ba sa clinic yung doktora na sabi na gusto ko magpatangos dahil kaka-break ko lang sa boyfriend?
Yeah,
Oh, meron yung mga
Yung mga
ganun
ganun
na
bang
May mga ganun din.
Yeah.
Madami rin yung mga ganong cases.
Okay. So talagang akala ko pag ang babae nakipag-break, buhok ko lang ang pinapagupit.
Hindi.
Mayroong kakilalang ganoon. Yes. So, well, you know, you can also find, naka-flash na yun sa screen natin, at livestream GNNTV/Asia, no, I mean, -asia.com.
Yes.
GNNTV-Asia. So you can go to computers, no? And log this
Yes.
out, www.gnntv-asia.com. You also find us at Destiny Cable Channel 8 and GSAT Channel 1 and Sky Cable bago.
Oo. Channel 213.
Malapit yan sa Channel 1, no? Pag ginanong mo.
Yan. Susunod na yan.
Malapit, eh. Pag Channel 1, balik mo, 213, makikita mo. Pero you can be fine, so anywhere in the Philippines, no?
Yes, national na tayo.
Yes, national. Destiny Cable Channel 8 and GNNTV-asia.com. Okay, for our patient naman, ayan, si Maureen at saka si
Kira.
Kira. Yeah. Maureen, you are ano ba profession mo, Maureen?
I'm a nurse though.
You're
Wow,
a nurse.
you're a nurse.
So ano bang reason? Talagang ito ba naging ano mo na to, naging
Pangarap.
pangarap,
Before
ambition,
yes. So,
or talagang you're looking forward to a nice nose
Yes,
before?
Doc, somehow. Sometimes I look myself in the mirror, tapos inaano ko, pinipinch ko yung tip ng nose ko. If I
Kailan ito
look
nagsimula
better
itong
ba?
pangarap na ito? Yan. Yeah, no.
Siyempre, Doc, as you age, diba?
Yeah, sure. Talaga
Kaya
nakikita
talaga
mo.
ka, you see
Bakit
magazines,
did you
tapos
see those women in a magazine or in television na you got a nice nose and
Yes,
naging
Doc.
Tapos nakaka-naiinggit, nakikita mo yung sarili mo na
It's
sana.
It's not really inggit, pero you want to enhance yourself,
Yes,
diba?
oo.
You want to look good, you want to present good.
Kasi sabi nga nila, if you look good, you feel good.
you feel good.
Yes,
Yeah.
so-
Exactly, Doc.
And if the problem is your face, you cannot face your problem. Okay, how about si
Kira.
Kira? Yeah.
Morning, Doc.
Anong nag-trigger sa'yo for you to undergo a procedure like rhinoplasty
Ano
or
pagwa
nose
ba si
lifting?
Kira?
Oh, parang hindi.
Parang
no?
hindi
You look
na
natural,
natural.
huh? Yeah, okay.
Actually, wala talaga sa plan ko. But then, somebody asked me na may opportunity na gano'n na I could enhance my nose. So, ayun, dumating sa point na pumasok ako kay Doc Johnson and
Yes.
and I had
Your nose job done.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, it's very
Alam mo,
nice.
she doesn't look like Filipino.
Yes. I
May-
asked her
meron
kanina
ka bang mix
kung may
or
lahi.
lahi?
No,
Oh,
I'm
yes.
not pure
You're
Filipino.
Pero you look like more of parang
Marami pong nagsasabi.
Middle Eastern, eh, no?
Yes. Yan yung mga sinasabi sa
Brazilian.
mga beauty pageant.
Anong height mo?
5'8".
Wow,
5'8".
5'8".
Wow.
Dr. Lau, 5'8".
Yes.
Oo. I mean, did you have any plan of entering showbiz or being in I know you're in the modeling career, and how about, let's say, pageant?
Hopefully someday.
Someday.
I should be well equipped before pumasok sa mga ganun.
How young are you now?
I'm 18 years old.
Wow,
18,
so young.
wow.
Actually,
Yeah,
this is actually mga appearances na to. This is actually a training ground na
Yes, that's true.
na pag humarap ka sa ibang tao, medyo yes, confident ka na pag nagsasalita.
Doktora Morto, yung How about those patients? Ito bang nose job? Kasi ito most common question eh. Ito ba after a year or two you have to change it or
Sabi
replace
nga nila may
it?
expiration,
Expiration ba
ba
to?
No.
It's gonna be a lifetime.
It's a lifetime result.
Uh-huh.
You don't need to change it unless after a while you want to do a little something different with your nose. But usually it's lifelong unless there is a problem.
Oh, okay. Okay, Doktora, if ever na sinasabi mo kanina, if you want to augment, you put a bridge.
Yes.
How about sa mga patient na may mga flaring naman sa gilid?
Yeah,
Kunyari,
yung
pag
mga medyo
nagsasmile sila,
malalapad yung ilong, oo.
nagsasmile daw din yung nose nila sa
Yes,
gilid. What procedure is that?
We do trimming and we do some bunching. Trimming will remove some of the skin on the sides, and then the bunching will do a little bit of suturing or sewing inside.
Okay.
to help
So
with the
can you do
flaring.
that 3 procedures in one session?
Oh,
In one time?
Yes, that can all
You
be
can
done
do
in
that.
one
You can do
procedure,
that in an hour?
yes. Yeah, no problem.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dr. Calizo, ito bang nose job, when you do a nose job, is it will be under general anesthesia or you need to be sedated or is still under local anesthesia?
Well, actually, Doc, pwede yung general anesthesia, pwede rin yung local anesthesia.
Yeah.
Sometimes kasi yung patient, more than one procedure. Meron nagpapalipo, tapos meron ding rhino. So, advisable yung general anesthesia.
Oo.
Tapos meron din patient
Usually
na...
when you mean pag multiple procedures, we do it
General.
under J. Pero let's say, isi-single out lang natin nose job.
Kung one procedure lang, like rhinoplasty, we recommend local anesthesia.
Local anesthesia.
Pero
So
we
that
could do
is,
pa din naman na
if
IV
you request
sedation.
ng
If the patient
patient
requested,
requested.
pwede pa din.
Pwede pa rin yung
Pwedeng
general
gusto
anesthesia.
nila a little bit twilight or sleeping during the
Yeah.
procedure, they can do
If they don't want to feel
Sedation.
anything.
Yes, para sa ating televiewers, Dr. Calizo, may mga pasyente kasi na nag-walk-in, no? I know kay Dr. Seneca,
Yeah.
dami nag-walk-in, biglang pupunta at gusto nila magpagawa ng nose and then gusto nila sedated. Pwede bang gawin agad ito sa clinic right there and then or may mga laboratories pang
Meron pang
ipapagawa?
mga laboratories, yung mga CP clearance. So, para din sa safety ng, hindi lang ng doctors, syempre sa patient.
pasyente.
So may mga laboratories, Doktora.
For the procedure.
Okay. Anong mga laboratories ang mga some examples ng mga laboratories?
Kunyari, CP clearance, yung
Yung
tinetest din yung
X-rays,
diabetes.
ECGs, oo.
So mga
X-ray,
CBC,
CBC.
X-ray,
Siguro blood count.
Tapos,
yeah.
kailangan i-clear siya ng IM.
cardio or internist. Wow, okay.
Miss Maureen, ikaw ba during the time na ginawa ka under
Local anesthesia.
local
Local.
anesthesia?
Meaning gising.
I was awake. I was humming. I was
Oh.
humming during the surgery.
really?
I didn't feel any pain at all.
Oh, that's
Wow.
nice.
So, during the procedure,
Nakala ko kasi,
nakikipag-usap siguro sa mga
oh,
doktor.
during the time kasi pag
I was
sinabing
awake.
rhinoplasty, syempre surgery. Para bang patient na medyo, kinakabahan. And the good thing here is that the patient is awake and under local anesthesia and you said that you don't feel anything about that.
No pain at all, Doc.
Ay, Kira.
Kira.
How long was the healing time during the time that you were recuperating or during the procedure? Ilang araw yung healing time sa iyo?
Yes.
Swelling and everything.
I think nag-swell yung face ko for about 4 days. And
4
then
days?
after that, medyo gumagaling na siya with the help of cold compress and warm.
Warm compress.
Yes.
Oh. So, siguro pwede natin pakita yung picture nila. Yung
Yes, yung mga before
yung,
and after to compare.
Yeah, para makita natin habang mga pasyente makita nila na ayan,
Ayan.
ito si
Kira
Kira.
Tambong,
This-
18-year-old.
On your left side will be the
Before?
and after, no? Ang laking difference, no?
Yes. Actually, nakasulit dito, Dr. Seneca, rhinoplasty meaning ito yung nose job.
Nose
no?
job,
Okay.
oh,
And
oh.
nasa ilalim is the buccal,
Buccal
fat,
fat.
removal.
Oo. So that means tinanggalan si Kira din ng
Ng
fats dito
fat
sa
sa
face, no?
cheek.
Kasi medyo malapad. Yeah, ang ganda. Okay, this is the side view, before and after. Okay. And sige, please. Ayan. Medyo hindi masyado makita yung before, no? Oo. This is,
Ayan.
Maureen.
This is Maureen.
Yeah, Maureen, parang, ikaw ba to? Parang hindi no?
Hindi na ako yun, Doc.
Oo. And sige pa, tingnan natin.
After daw ng show na to, pakibura na daw lahat ng pictures ni Maureen.
Ayan, oo. Ayan. It's a big difference talaga. Kasi, our nose is the center of the face.
Yes,
eh.
and most
Diba?
projected part of the face.
Unknowingly, when you are looking on the face of the person, you are actually looking on the nose eh. Because ang projection natin puro pagitna eh. So, gitna yan. So, it's the center of the face. And it really means a lot. Sometimes sinasabi ko nga sa pasyente, you have a very nice tantalizing eyes, a very flawless skin, a kissable lips, but the nose doesn't fit the face.
Yes.
Pero
Many times
ngayon,
ko na narinig yan.
narinig mo naman yan,
Yes.
nga. Para ka naniligo ng pasyente,
Yes.
sinasabi mo kagandahan niya. Okay, how do you, let's say, if the patient comes to you, wants to have a nose job, do you do it right there and then during the consultation, Doktora Morato?
Depending. During the interview with the patient, if they have any health issues, we have to make sure that she's okay for surgery. If there are no health problems, we can do it then.
Right there and
How
Yes.
about, doktora, kunyari, yung mga may lumapit sa inyo, 40s or 50-year-old na patient, and then they have comorbidities like hypertension,
Okay.
diabetes, pero sasabihin nila, Doc, meron po akong maintenance, control po yung hypertension ko,
Yeah.
meron din po akong gamot sa diabetes, can you still do the procedure on me, sasabihin?
I can do the procedure if she's cleared with
Cleared.
her
So may
Okay.
clearance pa rin
Yes.
po. Okay, so sa ating mga televiewers, no, para pag pupunta kayo sa clinic,
Yeah.
alam nyo na po ang i-expect
Kinakailangan,
natin.
you're of course physically healthy. Or if you have like a diabetes issue, dapat controlled.
Yes.
If you have
As long as it is
hypertensive.
controlled.
Okay.
Sige. Doktora, ito isang common question na how young
Yan.
ang pwedeng magpagawa ng isang
Magpagawa.
pasyente? Kasi tinatanong ng may mga magulang ng anak nila isasali, rine-ready sa pageant. How young at saka how old yung pinaka-maximum na pwedeng magpagawa ng nose?
Sa girls, so 16 years old.
16 years
Oo,
old, pwede na.
16.
Okay.
Pero with consent of their
With the consent,
parents.
yeah,
oo.
of course.
And then sa boys naman, 18 years old.
Oh, okay. So as early as 16 years old sa
Pwede
babae?
na. Basta merong consent ng
Oh, okay. I think
parents
kasi
or ng guardian.
yun na yata yung pinaka-last na development ng
Oo,
bone
yung
ng...
bone.
Oo. So anything beyond that,
Pwede
baka-
na. Oo, basta
before that, hindi pa
hindi pa
pwede.
pwede.
Okay.
Again, our telephone number is projected right on your screen at 0922-891-6761. Please indicate your name and your location where you are trying. If you have any question or comments regarding our topic, which is all about the noses.
Yes.
Okay. Doktora, yung let's say if the patient, the patient come to you na for a nose job, but actually sometimes the problem are they have to go do some chin augmentation or other procedures. Do you recommend that, Dr. Calizo?
Yes, Doc. Kasi sometimes pag nag-undergo na ng rhinoplasty, yung chin, naiiwan na siya.
Yeah.
Ayun. So we also advise na
To have a
for
chin
chin
augmentation.
augmentation after.
So when the patient comes into the clinic, hindi lang yung concern niya, but actually you
Yeah.
suggest na rin other
Kasi
procedures.
important yung symmetrical ng
Oo.
face ng
Symmetry.
patient.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
okay.
true.
Nice.
Okay. If there will be any complications regarding nose job, Doctor, what would be the other complication just in case after the procedure?
Possible complications are infection.
Infection.
That's why we give antibiotics afterwards.
This is very common to any form of surgery.
Yes.
Right?
That's why it's also very important that after the procedure that the patient listens to our advice and not to make kalikot their
Yeah.
nose or
Yeah.
anything, because so many things can happen if they do that. Not only infection, but after a while, maybe the implant can extrude or
Yeah.
it can become deviated after a while. But
Eh,
usually it
yes,
can
yung
be...
sinasabi ni Dr. Morato, yung sinasabi ni Dr. Seneca lagi din, ang follow-up.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
very
is one of the
important.
most important na aspect sa pag-surgery, no?
Yeah. Siguro naman to ating mga patient, mga very
Compliant.
obedient. I mean,
Compliant.
they
Yes.
comply with the procedure, with the advice of the doctors, no? Miss Maureen, after the procedure, does it change your life? I mean, may pagbabago ba sa buhay mo? Dumami ba boyfriend mo? O yung boyfriend mo ba naging mahal na mahal ka? O ano sa tingin mo? Or let's say, nung nakita niya, pumayag ba yung may boyfriend ka ba?
Yes,
Okay.
Doc.
Pumayag ba yung boyfriend mo na magpa-nose job ka? Ano sinabi mo magpapa-nose job?
No, Doc. At first, he was hesitant. Diba? Usual naman yun eh. Na
Yes.
parang tabu pa sa iba. Usually sa male, diba?
Yeah.
He was saying, no, you're perfect. You're already beautiful. I answer him, I know. But I want to be more perfect.
Okay.
And after that, he support me.
Yeah.
Ngayon nga po nandito siya, umuwi siya. I
Ay,
went
hindi
back
ba siya?
home.
Okay, siguro tawagin natin, no?
Binabantayan ka na.
Oo, mula nung alam ko, I know, ang boyfriend mo ba,
He's based in Singapore.
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 Okay. So, very supportive siya ngayon. No?
And
Nakita
every
ka.
day, Doc, it's like vlogging. he wants to see me every day on
Every
cam.
day.
So,
From the
nag-chat
day
kami.
one, then
So,
swelling and
before the
everything.
surgery, hindi ka niya gusto makita every day? No. Just joke.
So, how about
Naging
you?
madalas lang po, lalo.
Yeah. How about you, Kara? Did your life change after the procedure?
Yes, a lot, Doc.
Oh, kasi parang ano,
Yeah.
para bang napuno ko sa mga patient no pag na nose job. Parang is a holistic approach no. Para bang buong pagkatao mo nagbago no. And ano except for the nose no. Ang nose kasi malaking impact sa buhay ng isang kagandahan ng isang babae o isang lalaki. No? ano sa tingin mo nagbago? Let's say dumami ba projects mo? Ay, yung family mo anong comment nila nung nagpa-nose job ka?
Because sa akin, I'm not used to it, right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, okay.
maraming adjustments.
How about your
So,
friends? What did your friends tell you?
konti lang nakakaalam.
Oh, konti lang talaga?
Ay, yung nakapansin. So,
Oo.
sinasabi ko na in-explain ko sa kanila, but others, I don't owe them any explanation or what.
One last question. Kung sakasakali another surgery, maybe anong part ng katawan mo ang gusto mo pang i-undergo cosmetic surgery?
I had enough, Doc.
Ay, yun na. How about you, Miss Maureen?
I want more.
What more? Okay, that's nice. Doktora, sa tingin mo, I mean, for patients, sabi nila kapag ko nag-undergo cosmetic surgery,
Addicting.
addictive parang ganun.
Yeah, it is.
Totoo yun.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Sige. How about you, Doktora? Sa tingin mo yung mga patient mo naging parang, siyempre sa umpisa, they have fear of undergoing cosmetic surgery.
But after the first procedure, yun na, tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah.
Kasi they gain confidence na pag after the first procedure. So they want to enhance the other part of the
Sasabihin nila, yung fear after the first procedure, ay, ganun lang pala.
ganun lang pala.
Ganun lang pala kabilis.
Oo
Tapos
nga.
yung second procedure na gusto nila, hindi na sila
Hindi na.
hesitant. Eh, no?
Because other patient thought that the procedure itself has to be in the hospital, no? Ngayon, it would be like an ambulatory surgical unit or surgical center that you can undergo cosmetic surgery.
Yes.
Wow, a very interesting topic. Pero alam mo, we have a next segment.
Yes,
We'll be discussing all about the permanent hair removal, which will be also
And we're going to have a live demonstration.
live demonstration
Okay,
of
wow.
how to do the permanent hair removal. We call it
Yes.
intense
Pulse
pulse light.
light.
Ayan. Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Calizo, Dr. Morato,
Maureen
and
and
Kyra.
Kira.
And maybe I can invite you again for another segment of our show.
Yes,
Okay.
bitin na bitin, Dr.
Bitin
Sena.
nga eh.
Oo,
Kasi
siguro, next time.
Panay ang taas na ano. Anyway, okay. So, please stand by and we'll be right back when WhatsApp Talk returns.
Natural look nose lift, cleavage by breast augmentation, curves by liposuction, non-surgical treatment of varicose veins, Janssen Cosmetic Surgery by Dr. John Seneca.